Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic that's crucial for the future of the nanotechnology industry: regulatory challenges. As nanotech companies strive for innovation, they often encounter a maze of regulations that can hinder their progress. These regulatory requirements are essential to ensure safety. In this presentation, we'll cover the primary hurdles you're likely to encounter and offer solutions to overcome them. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about the regulatory landscape. Nanotechnology is a rapidly evolving field that encompasses a variety of applications, from medicine to electronics to material science. Because of this diversity, it's subject to a complex web of regulations. 1. Health and safety regulations. 2. Environmental regulations. 3. Intellectual property issues. Understanding this landscape is crucial for companies seeking to innovate in nanotechnology. These regulatory requirements are essential to ensure safety and public trust. Now let's discuss some common challenges. Why do regulations matter so much in nanotech? Because every product or process developed has the potential to change lives, but only if it's safe and meets the standards set by regulatory bodies. Regulatory compliance is what builds public trust, attracts investors, and secures a stable pathway to market. However, navigating these regulations can be particularly complex for nanotech companies, given that laws often lag behind technology. Let's dive into some of the major challenges. 1. Lack of clear guidelines. Often, existing regulations do not specifically address nanomaterials, leading to confusion about compliance. This lack of clarity can result in inconsistent interpretations by different regulatory bodies, leaving companies in a state of uncertainty. Next is lengthy approval processes. Regulatory bodies may take months or even years to review and approve new products. This drawn-out process can be particularly detrimental for startups that need to bring their products to market quickly to remain competitive. High compliance costs. Meeting regulatory requirements can be prohibitively expensive, particularly for startups with limited budgets. Many regulatory agencies are still catching up with the rapid advancements in nanotechnology. Global disparities means a product approved in one region may face additional hurdles in another, which can stifle international collaboration and market expansion. These challenges can discourage innovation and hinder the growth of this promising field. But we can navigate these challenges with actionable steps. Now, let's highlight some common regulatory challenges nanotech companies face. The challenges are important to address, as they may pose significant problems and are often hard to navigate. First, stay updated with regulatory changes. Join industry associations, subscribe to regulatory updates, or even consult regularly with regulatory experts. For instance, a guideline that was in place a year ago might have been completely revised today. Companies must track regulatory changes to avoid potential legal issues. But by staying updating to regulatory updates, you can ensure that your products remain compliant as new standards are introduced. This way, you'll have a heads up on any upcoming changes and can adjust your approach in advance. Next, engage regulatory experts early in the process. One of the best strategies for navigating complex regulations is to work with regulatory experts early in the development process. These experts can provide invaluable insights into the specific requirements of your industry, whether it's for approvals, testing, or documentation. Regulatory consultants also help you keep up with changing rules and ensure that your company's innovations align with current legal standards, saving you both time and resources. Developing a clear safety and efficacy plan is essential for gaining regulatory approval in the nanotech space. This plan demonstrates to regulators that your product meets strict safety standards and delivers the promised benefits. Start by outlining specific tests for safety, durability, and performance, tailored to your technology's unique features. Collect solid data to show how your product works in real-world conditions and addresses user needs effectively. Having this clear, well-documented plan paves a smoother path toward long-term success. Lastly, budget for compliance costs. Another major hurdle is the high cost of compliance. Because nanotechnology deals with materials at such a small scale, rigorous testing and monitoring are required to ensure safety, which comes with significant costs. Small and medium-sized companies, in particular, often struggle to afford these expenses. However, by budgeting wisely and anticipating these costs in advance, you can manage your resources effectively. It may also help to explore grants or funding options, as they can provide valuable financial support. So, to recap, navigating regulatory challenges is crucial to the success of any nanotech company. By staying informed, working with experts, developing clear safety plans, and budgeting appropriately, you'll be well prepared to tackle these challenges head-on. Remember, a well-prepared approach to regulatory compliance not only protects your company, but also instills confidence in investors and consumers alike. By understanding the evolving rules, your company can navigate these challenges effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more insights on the nanotech industry. And if you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Let's grow together in this exciting field. See you next time.